Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today we're going to go ahead and remove and replace this transmission filter for a 2014 Honda Odyssey. This would work for the 2011 to 2018. Let's go ahead and get started. So this is what the transmission filter looks like for this Odyssey. This is the new one, an original Honda part. And here we're in front of the vehicle, and what I've done is I've removed the battery, the little plate there that holds the battery, and everything surrounding the battery is loose. So then we have access to the filter down here. See, the filter, you have pretty easy access once you have everything removed. So attached to the transmission, you do have a 10 millimeter bolt attached to the transmission bracket there. And so I removed that bolt, and this bracket is holding the filter. So now I can start removing the old filter to go ahead and put the new one in. So let's go ahead and do that. So now I've pushed the bracket away. So now I have access to the filter. Now it's held down by some clamps. Go ahead and remove those clamps and it should come out. So this is what the old filter looks like. The bracket is not one piece. I'm going to separate it from the old filter. It did have some fluid in there, so it will spill a little bit, so just be careful with that. But we're going to go ahead and remove that bracket and put it on the new one. This is what the new filter looks like when the bracket's on. So we're just going to go ahead and attach everything back, put on the bolt, and then plug up the hoses that go attached here. Then put the little clamp on there to hold it, and it should be fine. Everything should be replaced. So without removing all this area right here for the battery, I would have had a difficult time from the bottom, honestly. It's kind of tight, so I'm glad I took it all out. And this helped me out to put my hands all up in there. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you guys. Have a great day.